Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. By the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair a little bit different today. I'm still going to be doing a twist out, but I'm going to be doing a one product only twist out today. And that one product that I'm going to be using is the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. And this says that it's hydrating elixir, sets curls, waves, coils, and textured hair styles in place for natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with jojoba and tamunya oils. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you guys would have saw that I actually did a flexi wrap set using this same product. I'm going to have that linked up above so you guys can check that out. But I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me, just so that you guys can keep up with me throughout the week and to see how my hair is doing throughout the week. And I'm also going to have my business Instagram on the screen down below so you guys can follow me on my business Instagram page, and so that you guys can check out my business website as well. So with that being said, I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so I've actually seen on YouTube a lot. I've seen a lot of other naturals do I tried mousse only on my natural hair, and so far I've seen a lot of people have a lot of good results on it. So I wanted to give it a try myself, and I'm going to be starting this style with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I wash my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. And I condition my hair with the Viral Color Conditioner with Bound Fix. And y'all, I had to use this because my hair was really starting to look faded, and I wanted to brighten up my red a little bit, so I used the red color conditioner. Excuse me, y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm going to start out in the back, and I like to spray a lot of water on my hair just to make sure that my hair is nice and saturated before I apply the mousse to my hair. And then I go in with my wide tooth comb, starting from my ends and detangling upward. And when I usually do my flexi wrap sets, I usually do like a half a pump, or if I need more then I'll go a full pump. So I'm just going to go right now a half a pump with the mousse. And I probably will need more, but let me see. So I'm going to use 2. Alright, so right now my hair isn't really feeling moisturized like that. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm hoping that it will turn out nicely, because when I usually do my flexi wrap sets, I usually do use a moisturizer before I use my mousse. And as you guys can see, like when I'm brushing my hair, you can kind of see that it's not really gliding through my hair like it usually does. Alright, so this is what the twist is looking like. And once I get a little ways down, I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser brush just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth all throughout. So I am noticing that the mousse is foaming up a lot on my hair, and this is what my curls are looking like. Once I get halfway down, I use my Tangle Teaser brush just to smooth out my ends. And if I feel my ends getting dry, I just use a little bit more of the mousse. What I don't like is that after the mousse sits in my hair for a little bit, it doesn't really feel soft. It almost feels like kind of hard a little bit. So when I do like have a lot of excess product, I just rub my fingers down it just to smooth it down to the ends of my hair. I went ahead and did the same process all throughout my hair. I used about 2 pumps of mousse, and then I worked the mousse into my hair from my roots to my ends, and then I went ahead and used my tangle teaser brush just to make sure that my hair was smooth from my roots to my ends. And then I started to twist, and as I started getting closer to like the middle of the twist, I then used my tangle teaser again just to make sure that my hair was nice and smooth while I twisted. And when I get to the ends of my hair, I roll the ends of my hair with my finger just so that I can get that nice curl at the end. And as you guys can see, when I do notice that a twist has a lot of product on it, I just rub my finger down the length of the twist just so that some of that product can go to my ends. But I am really loving how shiny the mousse has my hair, and I'm also loving how chunky and juicy my twist look. But comment down below if you guys like my red background. I thought that it would be a nice touch to add actual color in my background instead of having my yellowish wall all the time. So comment down below if you actually like the red background that I have. And as you guys can see, some of the front twists I actually use perm rods, mainly because those front twists tend to get straight at the end. So I wanted to still have that nice curl like a lot of my other twists have at the ends. So at the end you guys will see that the perm rods really help to add a little curl to my ends in the front. Alright you guys, so I'm finally done with twisting my hair up, and this is what the side is looking like. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like 2 days later, and they feel pretty good. They don't feel too hard or anything. And I put the rollers on the ends of the front twist, and they actually turned out cute. They look really nice and curly. I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Balance Grapeseed and Avocado Oil, and I'm putting this on my hands just so that I can prevent frizz. And I like this oil a lot too because it's nice and thick, but it's not too heavy either. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the oil on my hands so that I can put it on the back section. But y'all, at first I was kind of nervous to take down the twist and to separate because I didn't know how the mousse would make my hair turn out, especially because I didn't use like a moisturizer before I used my mousse. So I was nervous that my hair wouldn't be as soft and that it wouldn't last as long. But as y'all can see right now, the twist that I do have unraveled, I have a lot of definition. But y'all, when I started separating the back section, I could kind of tell that I wasn't going to have a lot of definition. I could tell that I would have some definition, but at the same time, I could also tell that I would have a lot of frizz. But don't get me wrong, I'm not against frizz. I was just hoping that I had a lot of definition after using the mousse. And I mean, the definition is there, it's just not as much as I thought it was going to be. But I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you guys watch me separate the rest of my hair. And then I'll let you guys see what my final results are looking like. But y'all, I absolutely love my final results. I love how big my hair is and I love my volume. And I mean, there is definition there, so I'm not mad at it. But I would definitely consider using a moisturizer before I use my mousse, just so that I can have my hair last a little bit longer. That's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. I just wanted to show you guys how my twist out turned out after using only mousse on my hair. And comment down below if you would use mousse only to style your hair. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, sis, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join the faith gang. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And always remember, faith over fear. And I'll see you guys. And I hope that you guys have a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, faith gang.